Hello and welcome. Today we'll be diving into the strategic analysis of one of the most unique and successful players in the grocery industry, Trader Joe's. While traditional supermarkets chase massive footprints and endless product variations, Trader Joe's has carved out a remarkably profitable niche. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down the core pillars, product strategies, and cultural elements that drive this brand's massive success. To understand Trader Joe's, you have to look at the four interconnected pillars that form its strategic foundation. First, they offer curated products, focusing on a low SKU count with high quality private label items at competitive prices. Second, they deliver a highly engaging customer experience through welcoming stores and an exploratory environment. Third, they rely heavily on word of mouth marketing, minimizing traditional ad spend. And finally, they deploy a smart store strategy using smaller physical footprints located precisely where their core niche shoppers live and work. Let's look closer at their product strategy, which relies on radical simplification. A typical supermarket stocks over 50,000 SKUs, but Trader Joe's limits its inventory to roughly 4,000 SKUs. Crucially, about 80% of these are Trader Joe's private label items, giving them complete control over quality and pricing. Because they negotiate strictly with suppliers and introduce unique, often time limited products, they create a use it or lose it urgency that continuously drives repeat store visits. The product brings people in, but the culture keeps them coming back. Trader Joe's invests heavily in its workforce by offering above market wages, comprehensive benefits, and thorough training. This keeps turnover low and empowers employees or crew members to do things like open any product for a customer to taste. Combined with the friendly Hawaiian shirt clad staff, smaller, easy to navigate layouts, and charming handwritten chalkboard signs, the entire shopping trip feels more like an artisanal neighborhood discovery than a chore. When it comes to marketing and location, Trader Joe's completely flips the traditional retail playbook. They practice anti advertising. You won't see television commercials or loyalty cards, just uniform pricing that builds trust. Instead, they print their iconic Fearless Flyer newsletter, relying on playful storytelling to turn customers into organic brand ambassadors. They pair this organic buzz with precision real estate selection. They target highly educated clusters near universities and urban centers, using a smaller 10,000 to 50,000 square foot footprint to keep overhead low and maximize sales density. To wrap up our analysis, let's review the five key takeaways from the Trader Joe's model. First, radical simplicity strips away retail complexity and builds immense trust. Second, private label mastery offers ultimate control over branding and pricing. Third, investing in employees pays massive dividends in customer loyalty. Fourth, organic storytelling creates a powerful cult brand without an expensive ad budget. And finally, precision location targeting prioritizes quality of footprint over sheer quantity. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to be notified for new additional content.